Hello, this is Max from Accolmile and I'm happy to see you again. In this video I will try to explain you advantage and disadvantage of the hub motor and the mid-drive motor. The hub motor is completely separated from the bike's transmission, and mid-drive motor is connected to the crank, chain wheel. Let's talk about hub motor in detail. The hub motor is the motor that stands alone and is closed inside the wheel. You don't have to do anything special to ride it, just like driving a car. It doesn't touch the chain or sprockets, which has certain advantages. Advantages include less load on the chain and shifters. Any old chain will work fine. You only use the throttle. Hub motors are cheaper, but let's talk about the disadvantages. With a hub motor, all riding happens at a single speed. In other words, the riding experience remains the same regardless of your speed. So, some may find this very boring. And what about mid-drives? On the other hand, with a mid-drive, you can shift to the lower gears, which provides a significant boost in torque. This allows you to pedal or use the acceleration. In other words, if you have a hub motor, you can tackle steep hills or similar challenges. Also, with a mid-drive on a higher gear, you have a higher top speed and more flexibility with less power. Another disadvantage of hub motor is their size and weight. Therefore, carrying the bike, fitting into a car, pushing it uphill becomes much more challenging and adds extra weight to your bike. In general, sometimes it can be 2 times heavier than mid-drive motors with the similar power. Yeah guys, I just want to show you which one is more powerful, which one is better, I don't know. Just don't do this at home. And let's try the bike with rear hub motor. The power is the same. 750 watt. Sorry, but cannot. You see, 2 motors, hub motor 750 watt and mid-drive motor 750 watt, and you see the differences. Thank you for watching us, subscribe, push the like button below, and see you soon. Bye bye.